Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Joy Bettenhausen. Well, Threat Tracker is in the red today. That's because our northern counties are under a winter weather advisory. Some of that snow will linger on to the early portions of tomorrow morning, but those roads will be slick whether you're heading to church or breakfast, so that's why Threat Tracker is in the yellow. We'll start to see some clearing of the skies by tomorrow afternoon and evening, and then another round of snow moves in as we start the work week. Today's winds will be light except for the late evening to overnight hours. You can see those southeast winds could gust up to 15 miles per hour. Although they won't be really windy, that could create some blowing snow. So if you're traveling overnight, that might cause some issues in terms of visibilities. Now let's track that snow. Throughout our morning hours, we'll continue to see that cloud cover increasing from west to east. By about noon, our western counties could see a little bit of snow pushing in, but that first round of snow will mainly stay in our northern counties. After 5 o'clock, we'll get a little bit of a break, but then you can start to see this main wave of snow will push in from west to east. By 8 o'clock, we'll see that snow centered over our western counties, moving overhead overnight. Now, it's the overnight hours where we could see some heavy snow at times. This could cause some slick roadways. This is when we'll also see some of that really accumulating snow. As we head towards Sunday morning, that snow does push on out. I would suggest after 8 a.m. we'll be in the clear from that snow altogether. However, those plows will still be working out there to clear those roadways, so of course allow a little bit of extra time, not only to clear off your car from that snow cover, but also to add a little bit of extra time in your commute. That way, you know, some roads will be slick out there. Snow forecast, what are we talking about in terms of totals? Well, 2 to 4 inches from Decorah over to Waterloo and just east over to Dubuque and Monticello. We could see some localized higher amounts along the Iowa-Minnesota border, especially in our northern counties there. Cedar Rapids down to Washington, we could see a trace to about 2 inches of snow. Our high temperatures will be in the upper teens to low 20s, but they won't budge much overnight tonight because we'll have that snow continuously falling. You can see we're still in the low 20s for most of us. City by city forecast, Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. Chance of snow this afternoon and the evening. That'll linger to early tomorrow morning. And then we have another chance of snow to start the work week. That'll clear out for Tuesday, but then tracking yet again another round of snow by Wednesday. Looks like we might get a little bit of rain as well as we look towards next weekend.